Identify the main idea of the speaker in the talk. The speaker discusses the dual impact of technology on society. On one hand, technology can be seen as a savior because it has revolutionized healthcare, made communication better, and improved our quality of life. It has also created opportunities for innovation and economic growth. However, this speaker points out that technology has negative impact, such as private concerns, job loss due to automation, and environmental harm. The talk raises the question of whether the technology is ultimately helping or harming the community. Provide her main points and explain briefly. Balancing progress and caution. The speaker urges society to embrace technology's positive aspects while being cautious of its risk, emphasizing the need for ethical and responsible use. Dependence on technology. The talk addresses how excessive reliance on technology may diminish critical thinking and social connections, leading to a loss of autonomy. The role of humans in shaping technology. The speaker emphasizes that technology itself is neutral. It is how we choose to use that determines its impact on society. Yes, I agree with the speaker. Technology has brought positive changes like improvements in healthcare and communication, but it also creates risks such as privacy issues and job loss due to automation. It is important to recognize both the benefit and the challenges technology presents. By using it responsibly and thoughtfully, we can ensure that it continues to improve our lives without causing harm. Task 2. Provide his main points and explain briefly. Reframing negative thoughts. The speaker advises reframing negative or catastrophic thoughts that may increase stress. By changing your perspective and focusing on what you can control, you can approach stressful situations with a more positive mindset. Accepting stress as normal. Instead of trying to avoid the stress altogether, the speaker advocates accepting it as a natural part of life. Understanding that stress is a common response can reduce the fear of it and help you deal with it more calmly when it arises. I would also make an effort to accept stress as a natural part of life rather than something to avoid, which would help me to reduce anxiety and face the challenging situations. By accepting stress as inevitable, I can approach it with a more balanced mindset and not let it overwhelm me.